Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a very long time. I got a pool. Yup, I got a pool. My mom's broken. Whatever. I want to tell you guys about something. I went swimming like a long time ago, and I seen this thing. It's a beehive. Yep, I seen a beehive. Everyone was out here seeing it. Hold on. Sorry guys, car coming. Thought they'd think I'm a lunatic making videos. But yeah, I seen a beehive. And I was like, yo, beehive. Wow. This is my house. Beehive on my house. Can't believe it. Beehive on my house. Also, guys, I may not make long videos because I can't make long videos. If I do, they won't just get uploaded. But sorry if I can't make long videos. Also, sorry that I haven't uploaded in like 6 months because I literally had nothing to upload till this came and till this came. And till my mom gets here, I got a new car. My mom got a new car. And it's pretty much it. Beehive. My mom's new car. My new pool. It's really tiny. My mom still has to like put stuff in there. Serious? Look at me compared to this pool. Look at me. It's up to my stomach. My stomach. That's how high it is. Yeah, my mom has to clean it out and stuff. My brother's Nerf gun. But again, sorry I haven't uploaded in a really long time. I'm pretty sure Michael, my brother, was supposed to come out because we're gonna play outside. Because I can't play my Switch because my sister stole my charger to my Switch. I was gonna play some Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild because my brother, older brother, let me borrow it, and I was gonna play some of that. But then my sister stole the charger while I was sleeping. Well, not while I was sleeping. Well, my brother was gonna play it, and then I caught him, told him it was on low battery, because my sister stole it. It was on 3, because I was playing, and then she stole it. Yep. So, see you guys. Sorry.